Welcome to my channel. How to set up Zmisdri Wi-Fi Extender Easy Step-by-Step Guide. First, plug in the extender. Plug the Zmisdri Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet near your router and wait for the power light to stabilize. Second, connect to extender Wi-Fi. Go to your phone or laptop Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default network, e.g., Zmisdri_XD. Third, open Setup page. Open a browser and type 192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup to open the extender's setup page. Fourth, log into Admin Panel, enter the default username and password, usually admin/admin, and click Login. Fifth, scan for your main Wi-Fi. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Sixth, enter main Wi-Fi password. Type your router's Wi-Fi password to connect the extender to your main network. Seventh, set extended network name. Choose to keep the same SSID as your router or create a new network name for the extender. Eighth, save and reboot. Click Save/Apply, and let the extender reboot to apply settings. Ninth, relocate the extender. Unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the area with a weak signal, then plug it in. 10th, connect your devices. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to the extended network, e.g., your Wi-Fi_XD, and test the signal strength. Thank you for watching.